city laboratory in Berlin Mitte is a huge project and a huge experiment, because usually if you talk about participatory process in urban planning and urban design, most processes where you participate citizens are designed in a way that each project gets one process. Like for each and every project, for example, the city administration wants to be facilitated. People like us, facilitators and participatory design consultants, set up a process where we work on results for this particular project. With the city laboratory in Berlin Mitte, we have the great opportunity to have a set space, which is only dedicated for urban planning with citizens. It can be used 24 hours, 7 days a week. Its only purpose is to serve participation and co-creation for city development. And the process combines more than 38 projects by the city administration, the Senate of Berlin, and the administration for urban planning. So rather than having 38 different participatory and co-creative processes for urban planning, we have one space which can hold the process for all of these 38 plus additional projects at once. And that is a huge step in the development of co-creation and participation on a level of a major city like Berlin.